Hello everyone, I'm Emily Ho from District 89. So now that you have selected your path, it's time to start the first project. How do we work on it? Let's start the first project, Icebreaker, together.
Remember, you must be logged in to access your pathway. On your TI page, go to Pathways and click Go to Basecamp. Then here, go to Basecamp. This is the Pathways menu page. Here you can see a few big sections, including Paths and Learning, Speech Evaluations, Teachers and Resources. So to start our first project, let's click Paths and Learning. Here, you will see your selected path here. For me, it is Strategic Relationships. And then you can click Open Curriculum. Here, you can see an overview of your pathway's progress. On the left-hand side, showing the percentage of completion from level 1 to level 5. Now we're at level 1. And Icebreaker is the first project. We click Launch to start the project. Make sure you have disabled your pop-up blocker in your computer in order to view the learning materials in a pop-up window. Here comes the first project, Icebreaker. Click Begin. And here is the content. At the beginning, there's a navigation direction, so you can take a quick look to see how to use this in Pathways. So we click to the right-hand side to go to details, so you can read the introduction of this project. And here is an overview about this project. So you can always download the project and then print it out for your own easy reference in future. And in each project, there is a project checklist. So you can open it and you can see the project purpose, the overview, and the speech involved. And in each project, you will assess your skills before and after the project. So this can give you a view of what you have learned in this project. Each project has a variety of resources for you to grab the knowledge, such as text, videos, role plays, etc. So in each project, you can assess your skills before and after the project. So this can give you a view of what you have learned in this project. So fill in your own assessment of your skills and read through the materials. So in each project, there has a variety of resources for you to grab the knowledge, such as text, videos, role plays, etc. TI has spent quite a lot of time and effort to design all these. Do enjoy and learn the most out of it. So study through the whole project. And for some projects like the Icebreaker, you can fill the Icebreaker speech outline worksheet. And also you can download the worksheet for you to easily read through it. So there are some techniques and the process about how you can prepare your first speech. In each project, there is an evaluation form which we need to pass to our evaluator to give us some feedback. So you can get the evaluation form, download the form, and send to your evaluator before you deliver your speech in club meeting. There is also a project manual which you can download for easy flipping through in future, and also for you to easily check through it when you are preparing your speech. So here you can see the whole project manual. Then you can schedule your speech slot with your club VPE or club president. Then you can prepare your icebreaker speech and complete your self-assessment. You can fill this in. And then after receiving your evaluation form from your evaluator, remember to upload your form for future record. Then you have completed your first project. Congratulations! And you can go back to Basecamp and continue with your second and third projects in level 1.